I've heard from some people, it's one of those myths that are out there that, oh, if I don't serve within a certain amount of, if I don't file within a certain amount of time, then I miss the opportunity. Is that true?
No, you can always file a claim for service-connected benefits. There is a rule that if you don't file within 1 year of leaving active duty or retiring, it makes it a little bit more difficult as time goes on. For example, let's say you were administration person in the military and you weren't in combat, you didn't go out in the field, but then you leave the military and you start working construction. And for the next 10 years, you do construction work. Well, if you come in and file a claim for benefits and you fill that out, when they go to gather those records and you say you're having shoulder and back problems from service, when they go look up that information, they're going to see that you were a yeoman. And they're going to say, well, your current role is working construction.
Right.
So those things don't connect. And then that way it's going to be a lot more difficult for you to prove that. However, had you went into the system and filed that claim, or you kept proper records when you left service, and it showed that you worked on the flight deck the first year, or you were in the field doing a lot of hard labor before you start working in the office, they're not going to see that. That's where you have to have your records. It's really important to keep your records. So tell us what you've done so we know what to look for from the benefit side. Because at the end of the day, those timelines do matter, and they will be used to determine where you are, what you're entitled to, and when those things should be applied.
The free VA New England mobile app is empowering those who served our country like never before. Access up-to-date information on benefits, healthcare, home loans, and more. Search VA New England in your app store today and access the benefits you've earned and deserve.